Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to Tile Tool Tuesday. Now, this tool is a little different, not specifically tile related, but when I first saw it, I knew right off the bat that I can find a lot of uses for this little cheap tool. Uses specifically for grouting tile. So let's quickly open it up, show you what's included here. We'll bring the camera up close, show you what it looks like up close, and then of course, demonstrate how it works. Time to unbox. Here it is. This is called the Mud and More Mix Ball. It is a silicone ball. Let's show you what's inside here. Mixer, 2 cups. Obviously 1 is for your material, 2 is for your water. Now, this mixing bowl is made of silicone. Very easy to clean whether your material is wet or dry. Let's bring the camera up close and show you what this looks like. And here it is, your silicone ball. Now, it doesn't look like it'll hold much grout, but I can tell you right now, this will hold enough grout to grout a 30 square foot bathroom floor. Large format, this can grout backsplashes. A lot of times when we're grouting a shower, there will be multiple different colors of grout. One color for the bathroom floor, a different color for the field wall tile, and a different color for the mosaic. A couple of reasons I think this is a great idea. It's small, it's compact. You can load up your cups, load up your mixer, and toss this into your tile box. It's small. You don't have to deal with a big 5-gallon bucket, a drill, a big mixer. Another neat thing is this mixer here. It's small. It's compatible with your impact driver. Obviously, it's also compatible with a drill. So whether you have a drill sitting around or an impact driver sitting around, this will work. Couple other cool and neat features about this ball. One, obviously, it's cheap. Like usual, I'll leave a link in the description below for pricing and specs on this Mud and More mix ball. But also, it is very easy to clean. You can clean your material whether it's wet or dry. If I'm in a rush, I don't have time to rinse this out, I can simply let my grout dry in there. Because it's silicone, the next day I can simply crush the silicone. It will break up the grout inside and I dump it out. If it's wet, you can quickly turn this mixing ball inside out to clean the wet material. Just like that. Rinse it off. So let's demonstrate how it works. We will add grout, we will add water, show you how you squeeze it out. And again, this thing will cover 30 square feet of flooring for a bathroom. It'll cover enough square footage for backsplashes, mosaic stripes. It'll cover enough area to grout a shower pan. Of course, you can use it for other types of material. Thin set. If you're removing or replacing 1, 2, 3 tiles, this is quick and easy to mix up some thin set mortar in there. If you're doing small drywall patches, this is quick and easy as well. So there will be 3 types of material we will use this for: grout, thin set, and drywall mud. Let's quickly show you how this works. Grout. Water. Quickly pop it into your impact gun. And there you go. It's about, I would say, 2/3 the way full. Feels like a lot of grout. Let's show you how you squeeze it out of the silicone ball. There's still more in there. And as you can see, that's quite a bit of grout. Well, there it is, guys. I'm going to quickly turn this inside out, and clean it in a bucket. Well, there you go. This unique, cheap little product will definitely go into our toolbox. I can already think of a ton of uses for this, majority of them being grouting. But again, it's cheap. It's 25 bucks. I'll leave a link in the description. It includes a mixer, 2 cups. They both fit inside this small silicone ball. Easy to clean. You can clean it wet. You can clean it when everything sets up and is dry inside. Cool little product. I like it a lot. As usual, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.